Hello, and thank you for joining me here today. One of my table partners at our weekly Bible study brought me some lilacs last week. She is an avid gardener as myself, and I was so excited because I've been wanting to make some lilac jelly. I mentioned this to her a couple weeks ago, and she brought me some flowers. So today in this shorter vlog, I'm showing you how I make lilac jelly. So this is about 2 cups of lilac flowers. About 4 cups of purified water. And now I'll let this come to a boil. And now turn down and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Low sugar pectin. As I move through the necessary steps of completing this project, I think of a devotion I read this morning. It's not necessarily for this day, but it says, "Mercy often feels abstract until we see it embodied." Saint Bernard of Clairvaux points to creation as a teacher of God's tenderness, the patience of growth, the generosity of seasons, the steady return of light. These rhythms quietly reveal how God cares for us. I apologize for that beeping sound. As soon as I started this project, one of the batteries in one of the smoke detectors needed to be changed. But I move on. I'm now removing as much of the foam as I possibly can. And now a light boil for about 15 minutes to help to seal the jars. Such a pretty color. And such a yummy taste. Thank you, Father, for the works of my hands. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.